How to schedule a meeting in Microsoft Teams. Hello everyone, in today's video I'll guide you through the steps to schedule a meeting in Microsoft Teams. From setting up the meeting details to inviting participants, I'll cover everything you need to know. So let's get started. Start by opening the Microsoft Teams app and navigate into the Calendar tab. Click the New Meeting button located at the top corner of your calendar. This will open a new meeting window where you can start filling out the meeting details. Give your meeting a descriptive title so that attendees know the purpose of the meeting. For example, you might title it Weekly Team Sync or Project Kickoff. Next, add attendees by typing their names or email addresses into the invite field. Teams will suggest people from your organization as you type. For external participants, enter their full email addresses. Select the time and date for your meeting. Teams will automatically check the availability of your attendees and show you their schedules. If there is a conflict, you can use the Scheduling Assistant tab to find a more suitable time. This tool shows the calendars of all attendees, making it easier to choose a time when everyone is available. Click on the Scheduling Assistant tab to get a clearer view of when everyone is free. You can drag the meeting to a different time slot or adjust the duration by dragging the edges of the meeting block. This will update the availability for all attendees in real time. If this is a recurring meeting, like a weekly team check-in, you can set it to repeat. So click on the Repeat drop-down menu and choose the recurrence pattern that fits your needs. For example, select Weekly and then choose Saturday. If you want the meeting to occur every week on Saturdays, don't forget to click Save after setting this up. You can also choose to make your meeting a channel meeting, which posts the meeting details and a join button in a specific team's channel. This makes it easier for team members to join directly from the channel. Click Add Channel and select the appropriate team and channel where you want to post the meeting details. If your meeting has a physical location such as a conference room, you can add it in the location field. You can also include a detailed description or agenda to provide context for the meeting. This helps attendees prepare and know what to expect. At the top of the meeting window, you can set the meeting status to busy or free depending on how you want it to appear on your calendar. You can also mark the meeting as private to hide details from others looking at your calendar. Additional settings include categories, time zones, and response options. Once all the details are set and you're satisfied with the meeting setup, click Send to send out the invitations to all attendees. They will receive an email with the meeting details and a link to join the meeting. And that's it. You've now learned how to schedule a meeting in Microsoft Teams, from setting up the basics to adjusting advanced settings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.